Good day and welcome to Football Navigator as we take a look at inside Cristiano Ronaldo's 20 million private jet. But before we do that, please do make sure to like this video as well as share it across the globe. The former Real Madrid forward bought the Gulfstream G200 twin-engine jet in 2015 for a sum of about £20 million. Originally named Astra Galaxy, the G200 is capable of reaching a top speed of about 560 miles per hour. Now that means that it takes Cristiano Ronaldo roughly 6 hours and 25 minutes to fly from his homeland Portugal to Turin, Italy. Now the G200 offers a generous seating configuration and can fit as many as 8 to 10 passengers for one flight. Now, as you can imagine what £20 million can buy you, the G200 is filled with features that will make flying in it a luxury. Now, as well as a bedroom, Ronaldo has a wardrobe where he can store his designer clothes. The plane also features a Wi-Fi, a telephone, fax machine, electronic oven, microwave, a refrigerator, and an entertainment system. Thank you for watching this video until the end, guys, and please don't forget to share this video and like it. And those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't ever miss out on Football Navigator's latest content.